If you plant mangoes from seeds, how long will it take to bear fruit? So let's start with this. We take the seeds out of the pits. In order to enable better germination, we have to peel off the skin of the seed. Then the treated seeds. Put directly into the nutrient soil. Spray enough crystal bags to germinate. Start the next day. The top of the seed shows subtle changes. If you don't look carefully, I thought it was 2 earthworms growing out. Until it gets deeper and longer. This is the shadow of the mango root system. As they try to grow towards the bottom, there's life at the top. The young shoots of mangoes grow slowly. The leaves during this period are still dark purple. But as photosynthesis progresses, chlorophyll in leaves, it is also constantly accumulating. Only then did he gradually complete the transformation of Wanzi Road green. Well known. Mango is a tropical fruit. If you plant it from seeds, usually, it takes 5 to 8 years to bloom and bear fruit. We want to accelerate the planting cycle. In fact, you can also use a skewer. Plug in the way to cultivate. First, pick out some that are growing well. Adult branches free of pests and diseases. By pruning off excess branches and leaves, can reduce water loss due to transpiration. It can also improve the survival rate of cuttings, promote its rapid rooting, and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. While trimming, be careful to maintain a certain mouth length. Easy to grow new teeth during cuttings. And then we're on the bottom side of the branch. Pick open a section of the skin with a knife. Peeling off the outer skin can stimulate the branches. Formation of injured tissue at the excised site. This is an important step in the rooting process. After processing, apply some aloe vera juice to the incision to promote rooting and germination. Then I got 3 plastic cups full of sand. Dig a hole of the appropriate size in the middle. The hole inserts the treated branches into it, and spray with appropriate water to promote root germination. Then, it also needs to be wrapped in a plastic bag as a whole. Bagging can reduce the evaporation of water. Keep cuttings in a moist environment at the same time. It's easier to take root. Open the plastic bag after 3 weeks. It can be clearly seen. The cuttings of the mango branches grow new shoots. Grow mangoes by cuttings. It can effectively shorten the planting time, usually with proper maintenance. The 3rd year after the transplant, you can grow fruit one after another. This plant starts from seed. It can greatly improve planting efficiency.